Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save a figure from Matlab Online. So what we'll need to do is basically have some figure created. So I have this script and I'm going to run that script, and basically this will give me a figure. As you can see, it's called figure 2. And now to save that, what we'll need to do is basically you can go to the figure right here and hover with the mouse and you'll see these buttons. So right here, you'll see the copy button or the save as. Click on save as and basically that will let you to choose a name. So this is now named untitled 1.png. I'm just going to write guide to everything, and after that click save. Right here, you'll need to go to the files and you'll need to go to your media on the left side. And you'll find the PNG file. So just mark it and right click it. And now you'll be able to just download that image and save that. And basically now you'll be able to import to, let's say, Word or Excel if you need to. As you can see, you successfully imported the graph. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.